So Teresa's here she comes.
Give me one phone, please.
Ah, segura.
Yes, seguro. No worry. Expert chauffeur, okay? No worry.
Okay.
No worry. Once again.
Okay.
Segura.
Mucha segura.
I'm sorry. 1, 2.
No, it's a video.
Okay,
It's a video.
One. Yeah. Okay, one more.
Yeah,
one more.
yeah.
Yes.
That's not a photo.
Seguro.
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 Seguro. And then what did you want me to do? Split the ride?
Well, I got that. We'll split. Yeah, we'll split the. Cause I didn't.
Want me to eat noodles?
Well, I was like, I don't care what Teresa said. We ain't riding no damn shuttle. So I was like, let me just get.
Oh, Joey.
What?
Oh,
The water's so pretty.
yeah.
Ooh, and look, there's the restaurant over there.
Yes.
Ah, Mexico. Look at the sun. So pretty.
Yeah.
More beautiful.
Oh,
Yes, see.
okay.
Can't wait to go to Tulum.
But you said you're from close to California, right?
Yes, Tijuana.
Tijuana? That's right.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you so much.
Gracias a ustedes.
All right.
Very nice ride. Thank you,
Yeah,
Fernando.
He said
Such-
thank you to both of us.
Yeah. So,
Remember review in el resort,
See?
Fernando Hernandez.
All right.
Nice service.
Bueno. Uh-oh.
Please, thank you.
so do you?
Fernando Hernandez.
Can
Yes.
we hire you to take us to Tulum? Is that part of the hotel?
The resort.
Oh, through the resort.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, different drivers.
So-
It depends.
Okay.
Right?
No, we can request, no?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes.
I have the concierge.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
We request pictures.
Stay food. We got that life. Free hugs. Give him a hug, Teresa.
Hey there, friend. Welcome to the fun house. Come a little closer.
Give him a hug, Teresa.
That is hilarious.
Oh my God. I just ran into the table.
Step right up here. You'll be nice and very healthy. Come here.
Okay, I gotta get my pictures right. Welcome. My grandma puts her keys in her boobs.
I ran out of hands.
Which
Oh,
one is your
200, 215.
Okay, good. Seguro.
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 Okay.
Also, on this area at the end of the hall, you can find the reception.
Oh my goodness. Ooh la la, it's so pretty.
Nice.
Okay, Hublo.
Let's do high five on your phone. Oh,
Let me help you first with
you
this.
sure? Okay.
We finally made it to the room.
Let's
Have to be sober for kayaking, okay? Like, let's just put that on record.
sober.
I'm not responsible if Teresa drowns kayaking.
My mom said she was responsible.
No, I'm not.
Oh my god. This is too hot, Joey.
Your suit?
Yeah. And
Your
it's
cat suit?
my cat seat. And here's the, let's put our stuff in the safe right here.
Well, you know we're only here for the night, right? Oh, I forgot to ask what time checkout is.
When we go downstairs, we'll ask.
Because I gotta, see, I'm getting too wasted. I gotta book the thing for tomorrow. Yeah.
You want to book Taboo.
Yeah, I
and
gotta
then
do
you
that.
wanna Book what? A ride to Tulum?
Yeah, so I
You
gotta
haven't done that yet?
No,
Okay.
because I wanted to see if you wanted to add on to the cenote and
Okay.
whatever.
How far is Tulum?
Hour,
Hour.
almost 2 hours. Like
So
an
the
hour and a half.
cenote, you get out and you put on your bathing suit and get in the water and get
Well,
out.
I bought outfits to wear a swimsuit underneath. Did
Yeah.
you bring stuff like that?
Uh-huh.
So wear your swimsuit and wear the cover up.
Yes. So right now, what are we doing?
Um,
Get it- you
let's
wanna
just
get
go
it?
downstairs and get something to eat. I don't want to
Okay.
be wandering around because we have to kind of
Yes.
get to
that's
Tulum tomorrow
what- Okay.
in one piece. And not
I don't know how that's gonna work out.
We're already shit faced,
I
like
know.
so.
It's okay.
I don't know.
Where's the thing for your thing? This?
We should have got here 2 days, huh?
Yeah.
It's kind of
This
nice.
was nice. Really nice. So.
You look so pretty.
Come on.
Let's stand right there so I can get
Okay.
your hinge photo.
My hands.
Yeah. I think this is taking photos. I don't know.
Oh, she did one of these pictures. The girl.
Glasses off. Jeez.
Wait, is this video?
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
can snap the photo. I can turn
Okay.
it into a photo.
Yay!
Okay. We got our own photographer.
Hasta la próxima, basura. I swear that thing. Oh God. I swear that thing changed the light. Yeah.
Ooh, it's so pretty in here.
I know.
It's like a disco, right?
I think. Okay.
Did we push the button? Are we there there yet?
Bobby, are we there yet?
We're in here dancing.
I just learned.
I do know a little bit.
Good.
Yeah.
Later. You want to do this one, right?
I want to go outside.
You want to do the food?
Yeah.
Is the food open downstairs or only here? But you can sit outside.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, we didn't bring towels.
No, they have them.
Oh,
Yes.
for the pool.
Senor,
Oh, the pool.
see.
Can we order food at the pool or only here?
Yeah, the pool is fine.
Okay.
How about the place?
Okay. Anywhere. What do you recommend?
Gosh, look at this.
Okay.
So pretty.
Oh, this is so nice.
Bob Marley. Oh my god, this breeze is so crazy. It's so good. Oh, this is perfect.
Aquí?
See, aquí. Look at this.
Is the menu?
Yes.
Dice menu
Menu.
en
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay. One moment.
Gracias. Teresa! This weather feels so good. What is that noise? Oh. So nice out here.
Gracias.
My pleasure.
Alright. Chapulines is crickets.
Is it? Oh, is that what it is? I knew he said insects. I knew that's what he said. It's crickets. You said it. No, it's not bugs. I said, no, he just said insect in Spanish. You're gonna trick me into eating
No,
that?
I was not. You see how far I put it over there. I'm not eating insects.
Okay. I'm tasting one. I'm scared. Ooh, it feels
Don't do
creepy.
it.
Oh, hell no.
He said, do this, but now you're saying the chips are stale.
I'm trying to pick one up. I can't grasp it.
This is Joie trying.
Focus. I'm gonna eat
She's
a
gonna
bug.
do it. Do it. But guacamole in this. And he said put it on this.
Sorry, I dipped him in the guac. I can't get it. He's so slippery.
Yes! Love it!
It's alright.
What does it taste like? Nothing?
Air.
Yeah.
It tastes like a bug. It tastes like a bug.
Yeah? Like,
It tastes like earthy.
yeah.
Like a
Okay.
chip. Like
Okay.
a potato chip.
Alright, I'll stick to my insects from the ocean.
Teresa's in the water already. Look at my booty. Look at my crack. Out here. Oh, that hurt my knee. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, vlog. You're a full swimmer.
Look out for oh, this is weird.
Heaven on earth.
My first day.
Living my best life. I'm living my best life. This breeze is insane. I think I'm just gonna sleep in the pool. I'm gonna sleep in the pool.
We haven't made it to the hammock or the deck.
Oh, we were supposed to go downstairs. It's gonna be so cold.
No, I think we'll be fine.
Look at that breeze. We're gonna be freezing.
Give us a towel. We're not doing it. Well, they turned it off.
The duck?
I don't hear it.
Ooh.
No.